Everyone, welcome to Learn VBNet. In today's video, we are going to learn about the basic setup and installation of Visual Studio. The version that we will be using is called the Visual Studio Community version and is an IDE software by nature. To install Visual Studio, please type in Visual Studio Community in your browser, or you can directly click on the link in the description. Once you do so, scroll down and you shall see a download button under the heading of Visual Studio Community. Once this is installed, open and you shall see the screen as shown in the video. Click on launch and you shall see a screen show up. You're supposed to tick the option that says .NET Desktop Development. After that, click on install while downloading and wait until this is installed. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to please like, subscribe and turn the notification bell on.